Hi. Welcome to DappBlocks. In this video, we will see what is the BNB chain and related concepts. Let's get started. The BNB chain is made up of two blockchains, the BNB Beacon chain and the BNB Smart chain. The BNB Beacon chain handles the governance and management of staking and voting on the BNB chain. The BNB Smart chain, on the other hand, is EVM compatible and has consensus layers, and enables connections to multiple other chains. BNB chain, a widely used blockchain, aims to provide the fundamental infrastructure needed for wider public adoption and operates as a community-centered, open-source ecosystem that is permissionless and decentralized. Binance Smart Chain. Binance Smart Chain is a blockchain-based platform that facilitates the development of decentralized applications and smart contracts, which are built on a modified version of the Ethereum blockchain and fully compatible with the Ethereum virtual machine. As a part of the Binance ecosystem, it includes the Binance Coin, BNB, cryptocurrency and the Binance Exchange. Binance Smart Chain was established to solve scalability and performance issues seen on the Ethereum network by providing fast transaction processing and low fees for decentralized applications and smart contracts. Additionally, it is designed to be interoperable with other blockchain networks, enabling cross-chain communication and the creation of cross-chain decentralized applications. The Binance Smart Chain is a blockchain that supports EVM-compatible smart contracts and protocols and allows for cross-chain transfer and other forms of communication through native interoperability support. The BSC is designed to be self-sovereign, providing security and safety through elected validators. Compatible with the Ethereum virtual machine, allowing for use of existing Ethereum tooling while also offering faster finality and lower transaction fees. Interoperable, enabling efficient communication between chains and optimized for high-performance dApps that require fast and smooth user experience. Distributed and governed on-chain, using proof-of-stake authority for decentralization and community participation. The native Binance Coin, BNB, token serves as both the gas for smart contract execution and the token for staking. Proof-of-stake authority. Proof-of-stake authority is a consensus mechanism employed by the Binance Smart Chain to maintain the security of the network and validate transactions. It is a variation of the proof-of-stake mechanism in which validators are elected by token holders who stake their Binance Coin, BNB, to vote for them. In PoSA, validators are selected based on the amount of BNB they have staked and the number of votes they receive from other token holders. These elected validators are responsible for creating and verifying new blocks in the Binance Smart Chain. They are rewarded with BNB for their service, which encourages token holders to stake their BNB and vote for validators and also motivates validators to act in the best interest of the network. PoSA also allows for on-chain governance, as token holders have the power to vote for or against proposed protocol changes, upgrades, and other network-related decisions. This gives the community more control over the direction and development of the Binance Smart Chain. Security. Proof of authority, PoA-based networks, such as Binance Smart Chain, are generally considered secure as long as more than half of the validators are honest. However, in rare cases, a certain number of Byzantine validators may still attempt to attack the network, for example through the clone attack. To ensure maximum security, BSC users are advised to wait for blocks to be sealed by more than 2/3 of the validators before making transactions. This ensures that BSC can be trusted at a similar security level to other blockchains and can withstand the presence of less than 1/3 Byzantine validators. For example, if there are 21 validators and a block time of 3 seconds, it would take 45 seconds to receive seals from at least 2/3 of them. Applications that require higher levels of security may need to wait for this level of confirmation. Additionally, BSC has implemented a slashing mechanism to penalize Byzantine validators for double signing or unavailability. This helps to quickly identify and deter malicious actors, making the clone attack less viable. With this feature, as few as half of the validator seals are sufficient for most transactions. Rewards. In Binance Smart Chain, validators are rewarded with transaction fees in the form of Binance Coin, BNB. As BNB is not an inflationary token, there are no mining rewards like in Bitcoin and Ethereum networks. Instead, validators earn fees from transactions processed in each block. Validators have the option to share a portion of their rewards with delegators who stake their BNB to support them, as an incentive for more staking. The validators take turns to produce blocks with the same probability, which means in the long run, all the stable validators may receive similar rewards. However, the stakes on each validator may vary, which could result in a situation where delegators who trust in delegate to a validator with more stakes may potentially receive less rewards. Therefore, rational delegators tend to delegate to validators with fewer stakes as long as they are trustworthy and not at risk of being slashed. This helps to prevent the stake concentration and winner-takes-all problems seen on other networks. Token economy. Binance Smart Chain and Binance Chain share the same token universe for Binance Coin, BNB, and BEP2 tokens. This means that the same token can be used and transferred on both networks, and can flow between them bidirectionally through a cross-chain communication mechanism. The total supply of the same token is managed across both networks, meaning the total effective supply of a token is the sum of its total effective supply on both BSC and BCE. Tokens can be created on BSC in a format similar to the ERC20 token standard or on BC as a BEP2, and can then be created on the other network. Both networks have native ways to link the two and ensure the total supply of the token is secure. Cross-chain transfer and communication. The foundation of Binance Smart Chain and Binance Chain being able to communicate with each other is essential to allow the community to take full advantage of the dual chain structure. This includes the ability for users to create and customize any type of tokenization, financial products, and digital assets on either BSC or BC as they desire. The ability for assets created on BSC to be traded and moved within a stable, high-performance, quick, and user-friendly environment on BC through both manual and automated methods. The ability for users to easily manage and access these assets through a single, unified interface and toolset. Staking and governance. Proof of staked authority is a decentralized and community-driven consensus mechanism. The core logic of PoSA is as follows. Token holders, including validators, can bond their tokens by staking them. Token holders can choose to delegate their tokens to any validator or validator candidate, in the hopes that they will become an actual validator. They can also redelegate their tokens to a different validator or candidate at any time. Validator candidates are ranked based on the number of bonded tokens they have, and the top ones become actual validators. Validators can choose to share some of their block rewards with their delegators. Validators can be penalized for bad behavior, such as double signing or instability, through a process called slashing. There is an unbonding period for validators and delegators to ensure that tokens remain bonded if bad behavior is detected and so that the responsible party can be punished during this period. Thank you so much for watching. Please like and subscribe to my channel and I will see you in the next video.